Greetings. Pacific Trading Academy presents this special report from Mentor Mike Bridges, which includes a video update for the month of July 2013. This month of July, I had planned to undergo a comprehensive physical exam. It was time for that. And as it turns out, in the course of all the various tests, my doctors uncovered a potentially dangerous condition that is going to require that I work very hard on staying healthy and avoiding stress and participating in my own recovery. And as a result, I am unfortunately going to be on indefinite medical leave. And as a result, this means that the trading room will be closed until further notice. But despite all the running around to doctors and hospitals that I had to do this month, I did manage to trade quite a bit, and I want to share that trading with you. So let's go forward with the update here. First of all, let me remind you that in June we established some special rules here. During the month of June, I began trading with 3 contracts. For each $1,000 of profit earned, I added a contract. If I lost $1,000, I deleted a contract. If my contracts dropped below 3, I had to replenish capital and start again with 3 contracts. And I had to earn back any added capital first before I could move into profit territory. So that's the rules we've been playing by. I've been playing by since the start of June. You saw how things went in June. There's a bunch of market movies there updating on a essentially weekly basis there. Anyhow, at the end of June, I finished with gross gains of $11,383.50 and total losses of $62,04.50 for a net profit of $5,179. I withdrew 1/3 of that profit, as I recommend to my students. That was a withdrawal of $1,726.33, and I left the remainder of $34,52.67 to grow the account. I added that to my original $3,000 of capital, and I began the month of July with capital of $6,452.67, which in turn allowed me to begin trading with 6 contracts. Now, to cut to the chase, I started July with $6,452.67 and 6 contracts, and I finished with something over 36,329 contracts. Now, let me show you how we got to that point. I began my July trading actually on Sunday night, June 30th. Managed to take 3 trades, more or less back-to-back there, and made $592 trading 6 contracts. Next one was on Monday, July 1st. I only had time for just that one trade that you see there, but picked up another $345.50. Note that this was with 7 contracts because Sunday night's winnings put us over the level where we could move up to 7. All right. Next, this is from Tuesday, July the 2nd, $461.50 on 3 trades, still with 7 contracts. And again with 7 contracts, we're now looking at the 3rd of July, which is a Wednesday. Again, 3 back-to-back trades rather very early in the day, netted an additional $557. And then next we have this day, which was Friday, July the 5th. The reason the chart looks a bit different was that these trades were made on a different computer, and the screen resolution is a little bit different. Anyhow, the 1275 was made on Friday the 5th of July. 3 trades very near the end of the day, as you can see. Then we had the 700 you see here made on Monday, July the 8th, and there was a loser here amidst the other winners, but still managed to get 700. Now we're up to 8 contracts. This is Tuesday the 9th, and we have 9 contracts, and these trades got us 1137.50. This day is Wednesday the 10th of July, and 532.50 with 10 contracts. Now, if you're wondering why these trades are only it's either early or late and there's gaps in between, it's because I'm running around doing things in between. I'm not watching the market 100% of the time. So here we are on Wednesday the 10th. Next we have, this is Thursday the 11th of July, 3 more trades and 507.50. Thursday the 11th, we're now up to 11 contracts and another 671.50 on just that one trade. And another day with just one trade. This is, let's see, Monday the 15th of July, 384 even. And this is Tuesday the 16th, and we're up to 12 contracts now. This day I was there for most of the day, as you can see, and $1,840. And this is the only replay. I didn't get to trade at all this day, which was I guess Wednesday the 17th of July. I was running around all day, but I wanted to try something, and so what I did was I traded almost exclusively off of the red, white, and blue stochastic, and every time there was a crossover with the stochastic parabolic, I would take the trade. And on this particular day, you can see it worked remarkably well. Every single trade was a winner. This was with 14 contracts, and the total was 4437.50. Now, this is the only replay of all the charts that I'm showing you. You can see we've got the little dashboard down here. And this figure was not counted in that bottom line that I quoted you earlier. This is, like I said, the only replay. All the rest of these are real-time trades. So next we have Thursday the 18th. And 6 trades this day, 1,731 with 14. And now we're looking at Tuesday the 23rd. This was the first chance I had to trade again. 2,037.50. We're up to 15 contracts now. And here we're now looking at July 24th, 2367, 4 trades. This one was obviously a big miss right here, this nice one. Well, I was at the doctor's at that point. Up to 17 contracts now. And here was a pretty amazing day, 3,642.50 with 20 contracts. And we have, this is Friday, Thursday, July 25th. And as you can see, we had back-to-back trades almost. Here was an amazing day. Even took a trade in the aftermarket, as you can see. The total for that whole day, which would be we're still on Thursday, actually, I think, aren't we? Let's see. Actually, I wrote down the previous amount, 36.42, but we got up to that level that same day. Here we are now, finally, Friday the 26th, and that's 41.30 for 3 trades. We're now, the reason it says 1 contract is this last one was a scalp. Somehow I was playing around with my ATM, and so this last contract was nothing but just the 1 contract. But we were actually trading earlier in the day about 23 contracts, I think, at that point. And this day was 25 contracts, but only 1,037.50. This is Sunday, the 28th of July. I think this was just that 1 trade there. This was left over from Friday, and this was the 1 trade on Sunday that made 1,037.50 with 25 contracts. Then we have Monday, the 29th, 1622.50 on 2 trades. We're now up to 29 contracts. See, once you get up to that level, and if you can sustain victories there, the amount's going to really grow exponentially. Then this was very late in the day, on, I think, I have early July 30th, Tuesday, 947.50, and then a little later that same day, made an additional 4 trades, one with 1 loser there, and still got 1037.50, and we're up to 29 contracts, as you can see. And finally, on the last day of trading in July, this was a magnificent day. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 back-to-back trades starting at about 4 a.m. and an amazing $6,650. So the bottom line, I had 36,300. I think it's actually about 37.5. So it can be done, folks. And if divine providence so dictates, and I'm still among the living a few months from now, perhaps we'll get to do it again together. But in the meantime, I need to work on staying healthy and upright, and I wish you all the very best of luck. So, bye-bye for now.